Hare Krishna, and a very warm welcome to all my dear little angels. So far, we have discussed three techniques of doing subtraction without taking any carry. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you a new technique of subtraction without taking any carry. And this technique is based on the concept of Viniculum numbers. Viniculum numbers are those numbers which are having a negative number. You see, this is the beauty of speed mental maths, of Vedic maths. Generally, you know only two kind of numbers, negative number and positive number. Now, Viniculum numbers are those numbers in which a single number will have the positive number also and the negative number also. This is a very amazing concept, but we will not go into the depth of Viniculum numbers. I will just show you a technique of converting the negative numbers into a positive number. And then when later you learn the Viniculum numbers, you can convert those numbers very fast into the positive number. So to understand this technique, how to convert negative into positive numbers, please come to my screen. I am sharing my screen with you. Yes. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you and that I am also easily audible to all of you. Now, this technique which I am going to discuss with you, converting of negative number to positive numbers, is basically like you are doing the natural subtraction. Wherever the lower number is higher than the upper number, you do go for natural subtraction and you go get a negative number. Suppose you have to subtract 8 from 3. You can't subtract 8 from 3, but you can subtract 3 from 8. So you subtract 3 from 8 and the answer will be -5. So in the same way, you see, suppose you have to subtract 62 minus 28. Now you can't subtract 8 from 2 because 8 is higher in value. So what you can do is subtract 2 from 8 and you get the answer as -6. And the other number answer is 6 minus 2, 4. So your answer will be 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. So I can write in it's 6 with a bar to make it a Viniculum number. Now this 6 written as a bar, it means it is a negative number, but I will write as 4 slash -6. Minus is negative number, a slash is the balancing line. Now I have to convert this -6 into a positive number. My answer cannot have a negative number. So how do I do it? Again, I will take 1 from this 4. I will take 1 from 4. So 4 will become 1. And this 1 which when taken, it will become 10. So it will become 3 and then it will become 10 minus 6. You see, when I take a carry from 4, 4 will become 3 and 1 becomes 0. So 3, 10 minus 6 and I get 34. So my final answer is 34. What I meant to say is that 4 minus 6, a Viniculum number, when converting to a natural number, a positive number, it becomes 34. So my answer is 34. My final answer is 34 only. You can check 62 minus 28. His answer is 34 only. You can add 2 to both the sides. 62 plus 2, 64, 28 plus 2 is 30. So 64 minus 30, answer is 34. You are getting the same answer, 34. But this time what I have done the natural subtraction. I'm getting the negative number and then I convert the negative number into a positive number by taking a carry from the next number and then this number 1 becomes 10 and 10 minus 6 is 10 as 4. Now in the same way, suppose I have to subtract 3896 from 8254. 3896 from 8254. Now you can see all these combinations 28, 59, 46 are mismatch combination, are mismatch because I can't subtract 8 from 2, 9 from 5, 6 from 4. It is not possible to subtract without taking carry. But I will not take a carry. I will do the natural subtraction. Now 4 minus 6 is -2. 5 minus 9 is -4. 2 minus 8 is -6. Means I am getting the negative numbers. These are all negative numbers. So I write is this way. 5 minus 6 minus 4 minus. This is my answer after getting the subtraction in a natural way. Now I have to convert this number -6, -4, -2 into a positive number. So how I do? Again, I take 1 from 4. It becomes 1 from 5 and 5 becomes 4. And when I take 1 from 5, then it becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 and then -4 -2. So finally I get double 4 -4 -2. 10 minus 6 is 4. Again, this -4 is minus negative number there. I take 1 from 4. So it becomes 4, 3, 10 minus 4 and becomes 4, 3, 6 -2. Again, to convert this -2 into a positive number, I take 1 from 6. So 6 becomes 5 and this becomes 10 minus 2 and that is 8. So 4, 3 minus 8 is my final answer. 4, 3 minus 8 is my final answer. Okay. So now, suppose in the same way, you see, if you know, now here I have done in 3, 4 steps this conversion, but otherwise, if you know, this concept of Viniculum number, you can do the subtraction in one single step. But for that, you have to understand Viniculum. But I'm not doing that at present. I'm doing a simple technique how to convert negative number into a positive number. Now, suppose you have to subtract 47896 from 8 to 479. As you can see, all these combination 274879, they are all mismatched combination, as we can't subtract 789 from 247 respectively. Now, what I will do, I will do some natural subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 9 is minus 2, 4 minus 8 is minus 4, 2 minus 7 is minus 5, and of course 8 minus 4 is 4. Now these three numbers, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, they are three numbers which I have to subtract, which I have to convert into a positive number. So again, the same procedure is there. I will turn the over here. I will take 1 from 4, 4 become 3, and 1 become 10. So 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Again, I get minus 4, minus 2, and then last is 3. So I convert minus 4 into a positive number. I take 1 from 5. So 5 becomes 4, and it becomes 1 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So lastly, I have to convert minus 2 into positive number. So I again take 1 from 6 and becomes 5, and 1 becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So my final answer is 34583. 34583. Basically, in this technique, you are doing the natural subtraction. With the number is bigger, do the natural subtraction, it will become negative number. Then later on, you convert the negative number into a positive number, right? So this is a very fast technique, very easy technique. And you can do this question of subtraction very fast with easy, because you have not to take any carry. There's no chance of doing any error. No carries to be taken. Just do the natural subtraction, whether it is positive or negative. Whatever number are negative, after subtraction, you convert in the positive method, just in the way I have shown you. So very fast method, very simple method. These are all the sample questions I have given to you. You can take this question for personal practice. And in the next video, I'm going to show you a very wonderful technique of another wonderful technique of doing the subtraction without any taking carry. And this is a very, very fast technique. So be cautious for my next video I'm showing you. And here I'm stopping my video. So students, if you like this video, if you think that this video is really worth your precious time, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to become really magicians of speed mental math, if you really want to learn techniques of mental math, you want to learn many other magical games techniques so that you can read the mind of the other person, then please do call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day.